Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are well at staying home. Okay, class. So, in previous class, what we have learned? We have learned about the feeding habit of animal, right? So, the on the basis of the feeding habit of animal, we are dividing in three types: herbivore, carnivores, and omnivores, right? So, what we are going to learn today? Today's topic is what? The breathing organ of animal, right? Okay. So first tell me what is breathing organ in animals and what is the need of to breathe? Why you are taking breath? Yes, class? You know or not? Okay. First stop taking breath. Shut your mouth and nose, also close it by your fingers and try to stop to taking breath. See how much time you can stop your breath. Okay. Now I cannot stop to take breath, right? Why? Because without taking breath we cannot live. Means what we are when we are breathing in or out, so what we are taking and what we are exhaling, what we are inhaling and what we are exhaling. So when we are inhaling, we are taking oxygen gas, right? And when we are exhaling, what we are doing? We are breathe out the carbon dioxide, right? What we are taking, breathe in, we are taking oxygen, O2, oxygen, and when we breathe out, what we breathe out? CO2, means carbon dioxide, right? So if you will not take breath, what would be happen? Think about that. Can you live? No, right? We cannot live without taking breath. So breathing is a very important activity for all living beings, right? Can you say this duster is taking breath also? Yes, tell me. The chalk is also taking breath? Yes or no? No, because it is a non-living thing. So the living beings, all the living beings are taking breath to stay live, right? So for living, to everyone, what is important for their life? The oxygen gas, right? The oxygen gas is very important for our life. If no oxygen is there, we cannot live, right? We would be die. So we all have a particular type of organs to take breath, right? So first we will start from human. We the people, what the organs we are using to take breath? Yes, tell me. Very good. We are using lungs. What we are using? Lungs, right? So lungs is the organ. So who is using lungs to take breath? We the people. The people, the human being is also taking breathe with the help of lungs. How? With the help of our nostrils, we take air in, right? With a windpipe, what happened? The oxygen gas entered in our body and through our blood, uh, in the with the help of oxygen, it circulate our whole body, right? And then what happened, the then impure gas, what, carbon dioxide, it we breathe out again, right? So this process is going on every time. We do not think about that कि we have to take break. जैसे आप खाना खाते हो तो आप सोचते हो you have to take a food, you have to write something, you have to read. You are not thinking about that कि you have to take break, right? So this process is going on always. अगर आप breathe नहीं लोगे तो the person will die, right? So what the human is using? Lungs, right? And who are the other animal? They are using lungs to take breath. So all the land animal, all the terrestrials, we are also terrestrial. Terrestrial means the people, all the living animal, all the animal and human, they are living on land, right? So that is our habitat. Land is our habitat, because our body structure, our lungs, our organs, that is adapted to live on land. So we are terrestrial. So all type of animal, those are living on land, they use their lungs to take breathe, right? The monkey, lion, right? All the reptiles also, all the mammals. Mammals first, who take breathe? First, we are also mammals, human, all the mammals, ठीक है? Mammals, they use lungs. All the reptiles, because reptiles also they live on land. And birds, right? Birds is also using their, first tell me who is mammals. So mammals, who is, they raise their babies, right? They give birth to babies. जो babies को birth देते हैं, they are called the mammals. So all the mammals, they are taking breath with the help of lungs, right? Reptiles are also like snake, right? Lizard, they are also living on land, so they also use the lungs to take breathe. And birds, on the bird's beak there is small holes on the beaks, right? So like we are using our nostrils, so birds are also using their holes that is present on the beak of the bird. They use their holes to take breathe in or out, to inhale and exhale, right? So these all are the animals, they are using lungs to take breathe. Then after, spiracles. What is spiracles? Spiracles. So what is spiracles? Insect. Have you seen cockroaches? And grasshopper also? Have you seen? So how they are taking breath? They have also lungs. Tell me. Think about that. They have also lungs to take breath. No. They have a spiracle on the side of the cockroaches, on the side of the insect. There is small holes on their skin called spiracle. And this spiracle are connected to the, like windpipe we have, the human have windpipe to take breath. As the same way, they have trachea that all are connected to the spiracle, and it, when the oxygen goes inside with the help of trachea, it circulate whole of the body, and after that it exhale the carbon dioxide, right? So all the insect, they take breath, they use the organ spiracles to take breath, right? So insect, grasshopper, like. Then after, gills. are using gills to take breath? Yes, very good class. Maybe everyone knows that. Yes, fishes, right? Fishes use their gills to take breath. What is gills? On there we found the gills. So tell me first, thing class, from we are living in a on land, so everywhere the air is present, and from air we are taking breathe with the help of we are taking oxygen, right? So tell me, from where the fishes, they are what? They are aquatic animal, right? So from where they are getting oxygen? Yes, very good. Yes, they are taking oxygen. They are getting oxygen from the water that dissolve in the water. The oxygen is dissolved, right? How would you know that the oxygen is dissolved in the water? Let me tell you. Aquatic animal. All the aquatic animal they use the gills to take breath. So they are taking breath from the water. Means what is the formula of water? H2O, right? So H2O means that is a formula of water. Means we found two molecule of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen, in that is it made the water, right? So in the water, what is dissolved? The oxygen. We found the oxygen in the water. So what they are doing? They are taking water inside mouth, and through the gills what they are taking, they absorb through the gills, they absorb the oxygen from the water, and they exhale the water, moves out from the mouth, that is carbon dioxide which is left in their body, right? So from the oxygen that is dissolved in the water, they absorb through their gills. Who absorb through their gills? The fishes. And one more animal, they are using the gills. Who? The frog. Right? Frog is an animal. Would you wonder to listen that? How many organs they have to take breath? The frog have how many organs to take breath? Yes, very good class. You know, 1, 2 or 3. Yes, the frog have 3 breathing organs. Right? How many? 3 breathing organs the frog have. So when the tadpole, the frog, who is tadpole? The baby of frog is called the tadpole. The baby of frog, first baby of frog, called tadpole. Right? So what they are using? The tadpole use also gills to take breath. Right? So first the tadpole is used gills. They are using gills to take breath. Right? When they are baby. The baby of frog use gills to take breath, and they are called the tadpole. Right? Then after They have also what? Lungs. They have also organ. Frog have what? An adult frog. Who? Adult frog what they are using? They use lungs, right? Frog, when it develops, when it grows and change into adult, so what they are using? Their gills disappear and the lungs developed in their body, right? And also, you have seen the frog are living in both places, in the water or on land, right? Means they are amphibian because they are living on both place. So when they are living in the water, what organ they are using? Yes, their skin, right? Their skin. What? Their moist skin. Moist skin. What they are using? One thing. An adult frog, what organ they are using to take breath? Lungs and moist skin. When they are living in the water, they are using moist skin. That is very thin layer on their body. So they are using this, and when they are living on land, they are using lungs, right? So these all about the frog, because they have a special creature. They have a 3 organ to take breath, right? Next one. So for the frog is using their moist skin to take breath. How the earthworm take breath? Yes,
Earthworm.
the earthworm is a animal. The insect, they also use their moist skin to take breath, right? Earthworm, they use their moist skin, right? Their moist skin to take breathe. What happened? In the moist skin, under the layer of, they are using the vessels to take breath, right? So there on their body, on the earthworm body, there is a very thin layer of skin that is very moist. And then what happened? The air goes inside. Air, the oxygen enters in their body through their moist skin, right? And then it enters in the vessels. Through the vessels, it circulates on their body, right? So through their moist skin also they exhale the carbon dioxide, right? So the earthworm and the frog both are using the moist skin to take breath, right? Then tell me how the dolphin and whale take breath. Yes, tell me, because they are aquatic animal. अब आप बोलोगे कि मैम you told me that the aquatic animal are also they are the aquatic animal, those are living in the water, so they are using gills to take breath. Is also the dolphin and whale take breath with the help of gills? Yes? No. How they are taking breath? The dolphin and whale? Yes. The dolphin and whale also, and whale, they also use what? Lungs. What they are using? Right? Lungs. Have you ever seen the dolphin? What they are doing? They pops out from the water. ऐसे बाहर बार बार आती है ना? They pops out from the water. So what is this? What they are doing? They
Is
pops
this
out from the water to
a
take
dolphin?
breath, because they have the organ lungs to take breath. So with the help of lungs they are taking breath. For the why they are coming out to take air, to take oxygen from the air, right? So they pops out from the water, they inhale the air, the oxygen. They after that was again they going in the water, they pops out from the water and they inhale and exhale, right? So tell me, if they are aquatic animal, right? If they are aquatic animal, dolphin and whale, so why they have the lungs? Why they have the lungs organ to take breath? Yes, very good. Yes, class, because they are mammals. They gives baby to birth, right? Who are mammals? Those are giving birth to their babies, right? So they are called the mammals. So the dolphin and the whale is mammals. So they use the lungs to take breath. We have the nostril, right? Some have skin, some have other parts of the spiracles, right? So on their body, what happened? On the head of the dolphin and whale, on the head of their blowhole called. Some holes on their head. By using the blowholes, they take breathe in and out. So blowhole, with the help of blowhole, they take breathe in and out. They take oxygen and out carbon dioxide, right? So what is on the head of dolphin and whale? Blowhole. Blowholes, right? Okay. So it's all about the breathing organs of animal, right? If you are having any query, any problem, see the video again. If still you have problem, you can ask me, right? So now it is a time of reading. So open your book and start reading. Okay, start class. So organs for breathing, right? Animals need to breathe to get oxygen for respiration, right? So what is respiration? To breathe in oxygen and to breathe out carbon dioxide gas, that is called the respiration. This process is called the respiration, right? So oxygen burns the food within the animal's body and releases energy for all the activities, right? So animals take oxygen from their surrounding. From their surrounding means from their habitat, wherever they are living. Maybe they are living on land and on water, in water, right? So like air and water. Different animals breathe through different organs according to their body structure, according to their habitat, right? So the tiny organisms like amoeba and paramecium breathe through their body surface, right? They are the amoeba and paramecium. They are very small, they are very tiny organisms. We cannot see with naked eyes amoeba and paramecium, right? So they have the body surface. On their body surface, from their body surface, they are taking oxygen and they breathe out the carbon dioxide, right? Then insect have tiny holes along the side of their body. What it is called? Tell me. Insect have the tiny holes along their side of their body. What we call it? Yes, spiracles. These holes are called spiracles. Insect breathe through these spiracles, right? So the air that enters through spiracles reach all the parts of the body through small tubes called breathing tubes, or what we call it? अभी मैंने आपको बताया what we call it? Trachea. TRACEA. Trachea, right? See here, a fish. There is a gills. They are using gills to take breath. And they see here on the side of grasshopper, the spiracles is present, right? Then aquatic animals like fish, prawn and crab, they breathe with the help of gills, right? So they take in water through their mouth. क्या करती हैं? पानी वो अपने मुंह से इन करती हैं water that, and in the water what is dissolved? Yes, The oxygen gas is dissolved in the water. So this water passes through the gills where the oxygen dissolved in water. So is absorbed and reached to every part of the body. Right? The gills also expel out carbon dioxide into water. Then क्या होता है वो गिल से ही they expel out the carbon dioxide gas. Right? That is impure air. Then an adult frog breathes through its moist skin when it is in water, but on land it breathes through the lungs. Right? An adult frog, how they breathe? Through their moist skin when they are living in the water, and when they are living on land, they breathe through their lungs. But a tadpole, how they breathe? The baby frog, how they breathe? Yes, through their gills. An earthworm, how they breathe? They also breathe through their moist skin, right? All the mammals who is? They give their babies. They give the birth of the babies, right? So, being birds, reptiles, including human beings, birds, reptiles, adult amphibians, etc. breathe through their lungs, right? They have 2 lungs. We have the pair of lungs, है ना? आपको पता है हमारे 2 lungs हैं. और क्या करते हैं? So, connected with a windpipe. एक windpipe होती है, and we are taking only oxygen and only air with the help of windpipe. उसके अलावा हम windpipe से कुछ भी नहीं take कर सकते हैं, right? So with the windpipe, what we are doing? We are exhaling and inhaling, right? So air reach to the lungs through the nostrils. The lungs take in oxygen from this air and give out carbon dioxide, which is breathed out through the nostrils, right? So we have the windpipe. What are the organ we have to take breath? Lungs, windpipe and nostrils. Yeah, nose. Then aquatic mammals like whales and dolphin also breathe through their lungs. Why they breathe through their lungs? Because they are aquatic. If they are aquatic, so why they use their lungs? Yes, because they give the birth of babies, means they are mammals, right? So they have the organ lungs to take breath, right? The class, how the jellyfish, which organ the jellyfish is using to take breath? Yes, the jellyfish is used the whole body surface to take breath. Jellyfish is living in a water. The jellyfish use whole of the body surface to take breath, right? So it's all about the breathing organ of the animal, right? Breathing organ of animal, and what the organ they are using to take breathe. So class, if you are having any query, any problem, you can ask me. Complete your homework and send it to me, right? Okay. Bye class. Have a nice day.